High up in the Sodor Hills, among the lakes and trees, there are some very special friends Thomas likes to see. They are the narrow gauge engines running on the narrow gauge track. Friends like Rusty Duncan, Duke and Freddie, Mighty Mac. They've got their own controller, Mr. Percival is his name. And though they're small, they're strong and really useful just the same. They're Sodor's best kept secret, and people hardly know. Because they're small, they take the loads where bigger trains can't go. They work with James and Thomas at the transfer yard, and though they're smart and friendly, these engines work so hard. They are the narrow gauge engines running on the narrow gauge track. Scarlet, Peter, Sam, Ramius, Sir Handel at the back. They work with James and Thomas at the transfer yard, and though they're smart and friendly, these engines work so hard. They are the narrow gauge engines running on the narrow gauge track. Scarlet, Peter, Sam, Ramius, Sir Handel at the back. They've got their own controller, Mr. Percival is his name. Rockers, campers, fishermen, to all of them they're friends, puffing proudly up the slopes and rattling round the bends. They are the narrow gauge engines running on the narrow gauge track. Friends like Rusty Duncan, Fearless Freddie, Mighty Mac. They've got their own controller, Mr. Percival is his name. And though they're small, they're strong and really useful just the same. Walkers, campers, fishermen, to all of them they're friends, puffing proudly up the slopes and rattling round the bends. They are the narrow gauge engines running on the narrow gauge track. Friends like Rusty Duncan, Fearless Freddie, Mighty Mac. They've got their own controller, Mr. Percival is his name. And though they're small, they're strong and really useful just the same.